In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily link Facebook with Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then go to menu. After that, tap at that gear to open up settings and privacy, and then we need to get into Meta Account Center. To do that, just tap right there, then tap at profiles, and that will show you all your Facebook and Instagram accounts associated with your Meta Account Center. As you can see, I got one Facebook and two Instagram accounts. To link Facebook account with an Instagram account, tap at Facebook account, then right here tap at your Facebook account again, and then turn on the toggle next to sync profile info. On the next step, if you got multiple Instagram accounts, you will be asked with which Instagram account you would like to link your Facebook account. Just select an account and then hit add continue. Then sync profile info, and that's it. As you can see, now my Facebook account and Instagram account are connected to each other, and now I got just two profiles here because one profile now includes both of my Facebook and Instagram accounts.